Hi and welcome back. This episode all about the exhaust, like I said in the first one, so let's have a look what I've been up to. I have progressed a little bit. Nothing's done fully. I have been focusing on cutting the collector boxes, which proved to be an absolute nightmare. Thankfully that's done. It's near identical for both sides, so I'm quite happy with that. The way I went about it is for each setting of the pillar drill with the jig, I was cutting the same hole on each one of them and then readjusting, so I know that I'm roughly in the same ballpark. Unfortunately, I did mess up the measurements, but like I always used to say, show the bad stuff as well as the good stuff. That's how we learn. I basically didn't measure correctly, and I will have quite a gap to actually fill in a couple of spaces, so it should make it for a really interesting TIG welding. I'm not looking forward to that, but the good thing is, as you see it now, that's roughly the position where I want it to be. Equally, when the opposite side is in, I reckon it will look really well. The thing I need to do is, of course, weld all the headers fully, do the other side for the headers as well, and then it's a decision time, because I want them to be aligned as much as I possibly can. So it means locking them at the bottom. So I'm thinking actually lifting the frame upright, or flipping it upside down, whichever is, well, nothing's easy with this engine. It's a bloody heavy beast. And doing the bottom first, the bottom bends, locking them into place, so I know that once I've set everything up here, I'm not going to be running a wonky angle anywhere. So still got to sleep over that, not quite sure. But yeah, it's getting there now. So after, if you want to stay a little bit longer, I will be showing snippets of all the welding and cutting and everything. I thought I'm going to get the wordy bit out of the way first. And I'll just be cracking on further. Hopefully by the next update the exhaust will be, at least the top bit will be done, and I'll be working on the bottom pipes and the how to lead them out in the back. It's still undecided whether I want to put some like stubby cans or just leave the entirety of the pipe open and just put in a baffle in each side. But yeah, we'll see when we get there, really. So as usual, stay with us. I'll try to update us as frequent as I can. If you like what I'm doing, give us a like, give us a sub if you haven't already, and have a browse on the channel as well. There's an absolute ton of videos that I've done in the past, so maybe there'll be something that you like. But until then, I'll see you later.